Welcome to What Are Variables? A variable is how your program remembers things. Without variables, every value disappears the moment you're done with it. With variables, you store a value, give it a meaningful name, and use it anywhere in your program. The equals sign is the assignment operator. It puts the value 25 into a container called age. Variables can hold any type, a string here. Use both variables in a single print. Python substitutes the stored values automatically. Reassign any time. Age now holds 26, the old value is gone. That is why it is called a variable. Python enforces naming rules. Use letters, numbers, and underscores. Names cannot start with a digit. Use snake underscore case, words separated by underscores. That is the Python convention. Good variable names make your code self-documenting. First underscore name tells you everything. X tells you nothing. Welcome to naming rules. Python has a few hard rules for variable names, break them and your program crashes. Then there are conventions, soft rules the community follows so code looks consistent. Snake underscore case, all lowercase, underscores between words. This is the Python standard. All underscore caps signals a constant, a value you intend never to change. Python does not enforce this, but every Python programmer respects it. Names cannot start with a digit, cannot contain hyphens, and cannot be Python keywords like class or for. The right column shows valid alternatives. Naming conventions are not just style, they communicate intent. Future readers of your code will thank you. Welcome to numbers, integers and floats. Python has two number types. Int is for whole numbers, no decimal point. Float is for numbers with a fractional part. Python automatically picks the right type based on what you write. No decimal point, Python creates an integer. A decimal point, Python creates a float. Division in Python 3 always returns a float, even when the result is whole. Result is 3.3333, not 3. Floor division uses two slashes. It divides and rounds down. Whole is 3, the fractional part is discarded. The percent sign is the modulo operator, it gives you the remainder. 10 divided by 3 leaves a remainder of 1. These number types and operators are the foundation of every calculation you will ever write. Welcome to strings and booleans. You already know strings. Now meet the boolean, the simplest data type in Python. A boolean holds exactly one of two values, true or false. Capital T, capital F. That is not optional. A boolean variable. True with a capital T. False with a capital F, lowercase true or false are errors in Python. A string variable, text in quotes. The type function tells you what kind of data a variable holds. This prints, class str. And this prints, class bool. Booleans feel simple but they power every decision your program makes, every if, every loop condition, every flag. Welcome to type conversion. Input always gives you a string. If you need a number to do maths, you have to convert. Python provides a function for each type, int, float, str, a bool. The user types 25. Age underscore text holds the string 25 foot, not the number. Int converts the string to an integer. Now age holds the number 25 and you can do arithmetic with it. This works now. If you tried adding 1 to the string 25 foot, you would get a type error. Output, next year you will be 26. Wrap into round input directly, that is the most common pattern. One line, immediate conversion. Never do maths on raw input. Type conversion is something you will do in almost every program that accepts user input. Make it a reflex. If this lesson helped you, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's learning Python. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. and continue your full learning journey for free at pylearn.saypeace.ng.